Jazz25 here, and today we've got a new video for you. Today we're going to be doing some paint pens on my tyres, on my brand new Subaru WRX. So today will be a good day. Don't forget to smack that like button real good and subscribe to this channel to see more in the future and keep up to date with me, Jazz25. And as well, don't forget to add me at Instagram at Jazz25, and that's where you get to see everything and behind the scenes for everything. So let's go ahead and check these out and put them onto the car. So today we're going to be using these paint pens that I bought from eBay. I got 6 of these and they'll cost $6. If you want to go get them at super cheap order or something, each one is cost $10. So you're saving pretty much a lot of money just by getting the ones on eBay. They're pretty much exactly the same ones. They're the Toyo brand, and yeah, hopefully they go good, and hopefully I'll probably have to do 2 coats to make it really bright. But how I want this is to get the Dunlop in all white, and I'll probably get that there as white as well. Then I'll just see how it looks for how it looks in that, and maybe I'll do one down here as well, but we'll see how it looks. We'll see how it looks, and yeah, we'll go on from there. But first we need to clean them. So we need to clean this area here. We're going to apply the pen, and yeah, by doing that, I just use a scouring pad and some water, and there we go. So let's go do it. So in the meantime, we'll get the paint pen ready for the tyres, and by doing that, just reading the instructions, and it says shake several times, press the tip down 3 or 4 times, cap the pen tightly after use. Nice little picture there. Just shake it up, press it down a few times on a piece of cloth, and it should be all good. So shake it up. We'll shake it about for say a minute. Shaking. Gonna take the cap off, all gone. So we just press it down a few times until the paint comes out. Check on your hand that it works. Yep, it works. So this is all good now. Okay, so once the paint pen is all ready to go, and the place here we want to do it on is nice and clean, clean enough and dry, you just go ahead and paint it, and yeah, see how it turns out. Okay, so after some time, I got the paint working properly now, and I got just done the D. Looks alright. From far distance it looks alright, but yeah, from here it looks close enough. Not really great, but yeah. I'll fast forward it now so you guys don't have to sit here for 10 minutes and looking at me just doing this. So we'll do it in a time lapse, and we'll get back to you when it's all done. guys, the first one is done. It looks alright. It looks a bit messy up close, but look how this changes. Look how this changes. So from up close it looks, yeah, I've gone outside the lines a little bit, but as it comes back further away, you don't see where I messed up, and it looks like it's done well. So I'm quite happy with that, guys. Looks really good. Do the other 3 tires right now, and I'll get back to you guys when I'm finished. I'll show you guys how it looks. Okay guys, I just finished doing the first coat of the pen on the tire, and look how good it looks. It looks good from afar, but at close up, yeah, it's a bit sketchy. But it looks alright for the first coat. I'm gonna put another coat on once this dries, and hopefully it's a bit more whiter. But yeah, looking like that, it looks alright. Looks alright for now. I'm not too sure if I should do the Z pattern here, this Z pattern, but I'm not too sure. Maybe I should do this spacing here as well. So it's kind of matching up like that. There's one there and one there. It would look better. But either way, it's a good first try. And yeah, get on the second coat right now. It's been 1 week since I did my last paint on the tyres, and I found out that during the week it started to come off a little bit because it's been raining quite a lot around here. So I put on a new layout, and I put on as well a new side here as well here. I put it down in the comments below, and everyone voted, and yeah, they voted on Instagram and Facebook, and they said I should put this on here like that. It looks pretty good. I quite like it because it has the top and bottom now, so it's really good. I quite like it. It's very well done. And from a far distance, it looks really good. It looks the top and bottom looks really good. I quite like it. Just before we end this video, my new photo shoot picture came in the mail, and I framed it up, and it looks awesome, guys. Oh, have a look here. Look at that. Quite love that. I put the full picture up at the end of the credits on my on this video, but yeah, I quite like that. That's awesome. Got me there, sitting next to the car, just 25. Hell yeah, I'm putting it here for now, just until just out of the way. Yeah. Anyway guys, this is going to be a wrap for this video. Don't forget to smack that like button really good and subscribe, and as well go on the Jazza25 Instagram and check out everything and behind the scenes and see what I'm being up to during the week and that. So it's been Jazza25 guys, and don't forget, have a good day, and I'll see you next time.